More than 24 tires slashed at 3 local businesses overnight. Now Jupiter police are trying to find out who could be behind this crime, while the business owners had to pay to fix all the damage. The Now's Katie Johnson is live for us in Jupiter with details on this. Katie?
Well, Shannon, just to give you an idea of where we are, this industrial park is off of Commerce Lane, which is near Indiantown Road. And if you look behind me, you can see all of these yellow trucks here. All of them had their tires slashed across the lot. A total of 27 tires slashed, costing these local business owners thousands of dollars. It's a busy day at the Bates Exterminating office.
Exterminating, good afternoon.
But today, the business was losing money before they even opened the door.
It's difficult today.
Carol Svensson was the first to arrive to work this morning. When she pulled up to the parking lot, she noticed 2 flat tires on the work trucks. Then she took another look.
Stopped my car, looked at all of our trucks. All the tires are flat.
So we had 6 trucks, 16 tires just on our company alone.
Cost to the 38-year-old business, at least $5,000 to replace the tires and $12,000 in lost revenue.
The guys can't go to work. I mean, we had set appointments. Everybody has a full schedule today, like every day.
Bob Bates is the owner of the business. He says he didn't have security cameras set up before today, but he's now made an appointment to get some installed.
You know, we didn't think it was an issue here in Jupiter, to be honest with you.
Staff here will work throughout the weekend to try to make up for lost profit, while police try to find out who's behind the slashed tires.
Somebody who would do this, I don't really feel compelled to give advice to. It's pretty low.
Now, right now, police are trying to track down anyone who might have any surveillance video from this area. If you know anything about this crime, you are urged to call the Jupiter Police Department. Live in Jupiter, Katie Johnson for the Now South Florida.